Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how to make any website into a web application. So you know how sometimes you're able to just open up an application on the bottom or on your desktop and it shows up as an actual web application. So certain websites have that ability, especially Edge can create it for you in a Windows 11 environment. So you can put it to your start menu, your taskbar, or have additional features or additional options. So for instance, if you go on YouTube, right, you search up youtube.flam. I'm going to go to youtube.com, and then it's going to have this up here. It's going to say open an app. It's going to say open YouTube app. You're going to hit open, and now you have the YouTube app, right? So now you have a YouTube app on your actual computer. So on the bottom here, you see that? So you can pin the taskbar, and as you can see, look, even has tasks, has subscriptions, explore. You can hit X out of here. You still got YouTube there, right? Click there, boom. You don't even got to go to Edge no more. Who uses Edge anymore? Get out of it, but whatever. No, so now you no longer have to use YouTube or Edge or get to YouTube. So it even has a sidebar, so you could quickly search the web, while you're doing your thing. So yeah, so that's one. And like, what's a good site? Let's do YouTube Music. I didn't even think about that. YouTube Music. Um, okay, open that up. All right, app available. So sometimes it shows app available up here, right? App available. You can install the app right there. Yeah. So just try out different sites, and if there's different sites, maybe you can help me. I'm gonna put on the bottom of the description compatible, or compatible, or sites that have apps on there, and we could do this together. Just give me different apps and sites, and let me know, and then we can put it down there. Sites that's compatible, or excuse me, we'll favorite the ones that are on excuse me, on the favorites in the comments, so we could do that. But yeah, allow, and then boom, we have YouTube Music. But I have a better actual way here. I have a better thing for you. So don't even trip about YouTube Music. I have another video I'm gonna put in the description that has a better YouTube Music app. So check out that video. But anyway, you already know what it is. Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you on another video. Peace.